Hi everyone, I'm Donnie Lowy. I'm here at closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. I want to show you some of the new dresses that have arrived. These are beautiful dresses. The majority of the dresses are from sizes 8 to 18. You do have sizes from 5 all the way to 22. You have dresses by R&M Richards. You have dresses by Morgan & Company, by Nightway. You have evening dresses, party dresses, office dresses, two-piece dresses, three-piece dresses. You have dresses with fashion accessories. These dresses can retail originally for up to $250 in American department stores and high-end boutiques. These are all very stylish dresses. All these dresses are overstock and they represent current designs. Here's a nice sleeveless office dress. This dress is by Casper, so there are a few other brands mixed in with the dresses. Here we have a two-piece pant set, size 16W. Here we have a two-piece dress set, dress with a jacket, size 8P, R&M Richards Petite. So you can see the dresses have all the original labels and tags. Two-piece dress set, long jacket, see-through jacket. The sleeves and the shoulders are see-through. Comes with a nice necklace, a size 10. You are welcome to visit to make your own selection, or you can send someone on your behalf, or you can place an order by WhatsApp or through the website, and your order will be packed with a variety of different brands, different styles, different colors, and different sizes. I have additional pictures and videos if you'd like to see more dresses. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1-917-913-6093, 1-917-913-6093. My warehouse is located here in Brooklyn, New York, in Red Hook, and I would be very happy to meet you, to do business with you. I have many other items as well, such as brand name children's clothing, fashion jewelry, and other items. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.